Hello, brothers and sisters. It's the third Sunday of Easter 2026. Today's reading, the Holy Gospel according to Luke. And behold, two of them went out on the same day to a town named Emmaus, which was the distance of 60 stadia from Jerusalem. And they spoke to one another about all these things that had occurred. And it happened that, while they were speculating and questioning within themselves, Jesus himself, drawing near, traveled with them. But their eyes were restrained, so that they would not recognize him. And he said to them, "What are these words which you are discussing with one another, as you walk and are sad?" And one of them, whose name was Cleopas, responded by saying to him, "Are you the only one visiting Jerusalem who does not know the things that have happened there in these days?" And he said to them, "What things?" And they said, "About Jesus of Nazareth, who was a noble prophet, powerful in works and in words, before God and all the people, and how our high priests and leaders handed him over to be condemned to death. And they crucified him. But we were hoping that he would be the Redeemer of Israel. And now, on top of all this, today is the third day since these things have happened. Then too, certain women from among us terrified us. For before daytime, they were at the tomb, and having not found his body, they returned, saying that they had even seen a vision of angels, who said that he is alive. And some of us went out to the tomb, and they found it just as the woman had said. But truly they did not find him. And he said to them, "How foolish and reluctant in heart you are, to believe everything that has been spoken by the prophets. Was not the Christ required to suffer these things, and so enter into his glory?" And beginning from Moses and all the prophets, he interpreted for them, in all the scriptures, the things that were about him. And they drew near to the town where they were going, and he conducted himself so as to go on further. But they were insistent with him, saying, "Remain with us, because it is toward evening, and now daylight is declining." And so he entered with them. And it happened that, while he was at table with them, he took bread, and he blessed and broke it, and he extended it to them. And their eyes were opened, and they recognized him. And he vanished from their eyes. And they said to one another, "Was not our heart burning within us while he was speaking on the way, and when he opened the scriptures to us?" And rising up at that same hour, they returned to Jerusalem, and they found the 11 gathered together, and those who were with them, saying, "In truth, the Lord has risen, and he has appeared to Simon." And they explained the things that were done on the way, and how they had recognized him at the breaking of the bread. The word of the Lord.